an absolute honor for me. I'm Mohammad Ricky Abdar, the co-founder and executive director of the company, and I'm present in Skyflora. And what we do basically is we providing total urban gardening solution. We plant tree, we plant vegetables, we do rooftop gardening, balcony gardening, and we kind of the whole solution for the gardening services. Let's just have a look on the population and our Dhaka city scenario. If you just look at the screen, you see that in Dhaka city, over the from 1975 to 2021, we have lost our green space from 186.26 square kilometer to only 90 square kilometer, which is like reduced by more than 1/3. Like the 3 times it has gone down. But in the other side, in the Dhaka city population, it was in 1980 it was 3.2 million, 27 million, and now it is like 21.74 million. It's like a 6 times higher than it was 20 years before. So you can see the need of our product. And in this crazy populated city, in this city, there's only 5% green space available, and when the ideal is only 25%, and that's why our air quality has gone down. Now it is extreme, which is 132, almost poisonous. So it's not just a business need, it's a social need, it's a need for the country to increase this greenery space. And like organization like us, we are providing dedicated services for this. And if you compare Dhaka city with one of the healthy city in Ottawa, we can see that the air quality index of the Ottawa is 30, which is extremely livable. Against in Dhaka city is 127, which is poisonous, and less than within 3%. You just can look at the screen that what it looks like. It seems like a desert land, and how lively the other city is. So there is an extreme. I would say there is an extreme need for our product, for the tree plantation in the rooftop, in the balconies, in the surrounding houses, in the roadside, in corporation, in government areas. And we did our own research before we started joining. In our research, we have realized that why the city people or the urban people, why they do not go for the rooftop gardening or the balcony gardening, or like gardening in their area, in the surrounding areas of their house. We found that they don't have enough time, because everybody is busy now. The women also going for the workforce, so they don't have actually time. And people don't have technical knowledge also. They do not know how to plant trees and how to give them the services throughout the whole life. And most of them say that they don't have enough manpower. So as a Skyflora, we have a 27 people member group organization here. We are providing full solutions, like we are producing, and then we are distributing, and we are providing delivery to the customers. So it's like a 360 solutions we are providing. So let me explain what product we are providing. So we have 4 kinds of products here. First of all, we provide gardening packages. Our gardening packages includes rooftop gardening, our balcony gardening, our vertical gardening, and indoor gardenings and others. And recently we are getting huge response from our special projects, like the projects from the the corporations, like the grass carpeting, beautification projects, and the landscaping and the tree plantation in the roadside areas. We are getting huge response from them. And besides that, we have got huge number of plants. They are saying that they have their garden, but the trees are dying, and they are not being able to give enough maintenance services. So we have opened the window to provide maintenance services for those who have already they have the garden, and to flourish their garden in future. And we also provide consultation services. It's like like the different business groups, they want to make a beautification project in their big larger space, but they do not know how to design it. So we have agriculture specialists, we have the horticulture specialists. We provide them the consultation services, how we, depending on the weather, depending on the sunlight, and depending on the water availability of the water, we design that consultation services for them. And we are getting in every area we are getting huge response right now. Let's talk about why gardening right now. I would say after this pandemic, every citizen is now conscious that what we have done for this nature, it is coming back to us. We have destroyed all this, all the place for of these habitats, so they are coming back to us. So everybody is conscious, and this is the, I think this time this country is technologically the most developed. Now everybody has a smartphone. We can capture the whole, this crores of people through using our technology. So technology is the fastest and most available to our country right now. And if you think about our success over the last 6 months, we have tripled our success. And if you think about the government side, government is also providing some benefit to us. Like they say, for every rooftop gardening, every dollar they spend, they'll be getting 10% of a holding tax benefit. So that's why we think this is the best time for this move, for this gardening and tree plantation move. Actually, what vision we have, what we vision is we want to create a society which is more lively and greener than what it is right now for our next generations. Actually, what we think that if we live a society which is more poisonous than what it is right now, I think this is the biggest crime in the human history right now. So let's talk about our team. I have my founder and CEO here, who is Sajid Khan. He's a business graduate and he has over 6 years of experience dealing with this, providing this agricultural services. And I got my MBA from North America, and I have over 5 years of experience in business and finance analysis. And I have my other experts here. And besides business, I want to say that it has a huge social impact. It will be contributing to enhance our water quality, our air quality. We will be able to maintain our stormwater reservation. It will control carbon emissions, and on top of that, we will be getting fresh fruits and vegetables. And it also improves the bonding for the city dwellers. And that's our remarkable clients. And I would really appreciate.